Hello everyone, welcome to All Lite Food, and today I'm making the very healthy green peas soup. It's simple to make and is super delicious. And to make the recipe, first in a saucepan I will take 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and when it's warm I will add half an inch of ginger sliced and half a cup of white onions diced. White onions have sharp taste and are preferred in soup and stews. Next, I will add 8 to 10 whole black pepper buds, but if you have the white peppers, then that would be great. They have mild taste than the black ones. Then I will add 1.5 cup of frozen green peas. I'm using the frozen peas, but feel free to use some fresh green peas to get that natural sweetness in your soup. Finally, I will sprinkle 1.5 teaspoon of salt or salt to taste. Now cook for 2 to 3 minutes on medium heat and make sure that it doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan or burns. Once done, turn up the stove, take it out and let it to cool down. Once the peas cool down, transfer the cooked peas into a blender or a grinder and blend the peas to smooth puree. If needed, add water to get that nice, perfect, smooth texture. Now pour this smooth puree back into the saucepan to give it a nice boil along with 1 cup of water. I like to boil the soup nicely for a couple of minutes, but you can add less water and cook for less time. Let the soup to boil for 2 to 3 minutes on medium heat. And when you get the desired consistency of the soup, turn up the stove and serve it hot and enjoy it with your family. But if you prefer your soup to be cold, then refrigerate it for at least 4 to 5 hours before serving. To serve the soup, top it with some fresh yogurt. Trust me, this is the best complement with peas soup. So thank you so much for watching All Lite Food. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon for notifications. Comment and share the video with your loved ones. I shall see you in one more video. Till then, goodbye, take care and stay healthy.